Alright, YouTube. Want to let you guys know that I'm going to try not to do any edits to this video, so it's going to be a little choppy, a little bit of camera moving around. But just in the 2 months that we've been doing this, we've got almost 800 views, 27 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough. It's just been amazing. I love getting the comments on the projects and being able to do this work and put it out there. And it's not really anything that you can't find on any other channel, but you guys are tuning in and watching, and I just want to say thank you. I do offer vapor blast services, motor services, and just really anything to do with dirt bikes that you need done. And I've got t-shirts up on the website, brokemx.com, and any income that comes in from that goes into the builds that we're doing. So just want to thank you guys for that. Check out the website, keep watching the videos, and but before we do the drawing for the CR125 frame, I wanted to give a shout out to a couple eBay vendors that have helped in acquiring parts for the next project. Show you guys a little bit of what we're going to be doing, so that you can get an idea of what we got coming up. So we're going to do a for the love of God moment here. I know there's a lot of guys that have to keep their bikes outside, but if you take the top end off of a bike to do work, please don't leave it sitting out completely open. So this is a 35-year-old crankshaft that's hard to find and is now completely unrebuildable. This is for a 91 KX250 that we're going to be working on, and we had Pro BST Motorsports on eBay that had a crank off of an 89, which will work. They're not the same, but they will work, and that's some of the things that we're going to be going over on the KX build, is being able to find parts that you can use that aren't necessarily labeled the right part number. So everything on this crank is exactly the same as the 91 as far as weights, rod length. The only difference is where the 90 and 91 have a nut to hold the magneto on, the 89 uses a bolt. So those are some of the things that we're going to be going through on the 91 KX250 build, ways to get around issues on finding parts. But this thing has got almost no side-to-side play and no up and down play. So we found a usable crank for that. Again, that was Pro BST Motorsports, and I'm going to leave the links for these in the comments. And then two-stroke parts on eBay. Had a cylinder. Both of these guys were very quick response. I'm talking minutes response time as far as getting back to me, taking measurements on the part, helping me figure out what I needed to do, and then getting the part out quick. So two-stroke parts actually took measurements on the cylinder for me, and I cannot thank them enough for the quick response and helping work in finding these products for this build, because it can be a challenge. But again, the links will be in the comments. Check them out if you need any two-stroke parts or parts for your bikes. And let's move on over here and do the CR giveaway. This is what you guys have been waiting for. So we got the CR125 frame. We've put all new bearings in the triple clamp, in the steering stem. The cable guides have been powder coated. The electrical connectors have been powder coated. Axle guards for the swing arm on the back have been powder coated. All new bolts in the linkage swing arm bearings. So, just to give you guys a heads up, we had 10 people that actually entered for this giveaway. So we're just going to do a drawing out of the bowl. But before we do that, I want to let you know that I've decided to do a second giveaway after we do the frame. So I'm going to give away a powder coat service, whether it's a frame or a motor, for the runner-up. And then I'll leave my email link in the comments, and whoever the winners are, if you guys will get in touch with me, then we will go from there. So for the frame, we've got Eric Cooper 3869. Eric, congratulations. Can't wait to see what you do with it. I know you say you got a 05 motor and a bunch of extra parts from another build, so it'd be nice to see what you can do with putting that together. And then as far as the free vapor blast service, we've got B Woods 692. So if you guys will, my email will be in the comments. If you guys will send me an email, and we'll arrange to get this taken care of for you. Again, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for the support, and can't wait to go through the KX build with you.